Here's a useful app for permanently deleting files beyond recovery. Let me show you. Go and open up the Microsoft Store. Then type perma-delete. Then click this. Click on Install. After finishing installing, click on Open. Once you're here, go click on Settings. Here you can set the theme color you want. Then next, you've got the paranoid settings right here. One is the default number of overwrite passes. So I recommend 3. If you've got really sensitive information, this will do 3 random overwrites of the deletion of that file, and this will make it impossible to even recover from your computer. I would suggest setting it to 3. Now, to delete a file, you can click the Shred folder and locate the folder you want to delete. Now click on the file you want to delete, then click on Select Folder. Next, click on Shred to delete the file permanently. Or you can click Shred Files to delete by files. Again, just locate the file, then select it, then click on Shred to delete. And you can also delete it by simply dragging it here. Perma-delete can help you easily shred your files and folders so that you sleep soundly at night, knowing that your files are gone forever. Cool, right? Be sure you hit the subscribe button for more PC tips and tricks like this.